Today we're going to talk about Kingdom Protista. So go ahead, and that's a good heading, Kingdom Protista. Some characteristics: they have a nucleus. They are eukaryotes. Protists are eukaryotes. They have a nucleus. They also have membranes around their organelles. They can be one-celled or they can be many-celled. So if you remember from our lab when we attempted to look at some cells in pond water, a lot of those things fall into the protist kingdom. They may have evolved from bacteria. Go ahead and write that there. If I'm going too fast, just pause me. You don't need to write anything here, but there are three groups of protists: plant-like protists, animal-like protists, and fungus-like protists. Today we're going to focus on plant-like protists. So go ahead and write this down. Plant-like protists, the best example would be algae. They're going to make their own food. So they got that whole chlorophyll thing. Most people think algae is a plant, but it just has some characteristics that are similar to plants. They contain chlorophyll. I'd write that down. Oops. You don't need to write anything here, but plant-like protists are put into groups based on their color and how they store their food. So for example, and you don't need to write this, Euglena have plant and animal characteristics. They do have chlorophyll, they're single-celled, and they use a flagella, which is a tail-like thing to propel them forward. They have an eye spot to sense light. Diatoms, don't write any of this. This is the most common, found in fresh and salt water, single cell. Dinoflagellates, which have a flagella for movement, single cell, red color. Green algae, green colored, one or more cells, live in water, tree trunks, or other organisms. And red algae, which you're probably not too familiar with. We're not too concerned about that. Some more brown algae. And we'll call that good.